Hello guys, welcome to my educational channel. If you are new in our channel then please subscribe our channel. Today our topic is Center of Gravity. By M.Shakeel Sahir. Let's start the topic. A body is made up of a large number of particles. Earth attracts each of these particles vertically downward towards its center. The pull of the Earth acting on a particle is equal to its weight. These forces acting on the particles of a body are almost parallel. The resultant of all these parallel forces is a single force equal to the weight of the body. A point where the whole weight of the body appears to act vertically downward is called center of gravity of a body. It is useful to know the location of the center of gravity of a body in problems dealing with equilibrium. The center of gravity of objects which have symmetrical shapes can be found from their geometry. The center of a gravity of a uniform square or a rectangular sheet is the point of intersection of its diagonals as shown in figure. The center of gravity of a uniform circular disk is its center as shown in figure. The center of gravity of a solid sphere is the center of the spheres as shown in figure. The center of gravity of a uniform triangular sheet is the point of intersection of its medians as shown in figure. The center of gravity of a uniform solid or hollow cylinder is the middle point on its axis as shown in figure. A simple method to find the center of gravity of a body is by the use of a plumb line. A plumb line consists of a small metal bob, lead or brass, supported by a string. When the bob is suspended freely by the string, it rests along the vertical direction due to its weight acting vertically downward. Take an irregular piece of cardboard. Make holes A, B and C as shown in figure near its edge. Fix a nail on a wall. Support the cardboard on the nail through one of the holes, let it be A, so that the cardboard can swing freely about A. The cardboard will come to rest with its center of gravity just vertically below the nail. A vertical line from A can be located using a plumbline hung from the nail. Mark the line on the cardboard behind the plumbline. Repeat it by supporting the cardboard from hole B. The line from B will intersect at a point G. Similarly, draw another line from the hole C. Note that this line also passes through G. It will be found that all the vertical lines from holes A, B and C have a common point G. This common point G is the center of gravity of the cardboard.